Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel TMB Academy. Imagine applying for your dream job. Your qualifications are strong, your experience is solid and your confidence is high. You hit submit. Within seconds you get a rejection email. No human ever saw your profile. It was an AI system that made the decision. Now imagine that the AI rejected you because your name didn't sound familiar or because you went to a college that wasn't on its list. This isn't science fiction, this is reality. AI now plays a massive role in hiring and HR decisions. But what happens when that technology is biased? That is where ISO 30415, the Global Diversity and Inclusion Standard, comes into play. It helps ensure that organizations and their technologies are built on principles of fairness, ethics, and inclusion. The rise of AI in HR, smart systems, hidden risk. Over the past decade, AI has transformed human resources. Today, algorithms shortlist resumes, chatbots conduct interviews, and machine learning predicts employee performance. AI makes hiring faster and seemingly more objective. But here is the catch. AI learns from human data, and human data often reflects human bias. If historical hiring data favors men in leadership roles of certain universities or certain regions, the AI will replicate that bias automatically. So while AI can improve efficiency, it can also quietly reinforce inequality. To prevent this, organizations must balance technology with ethics, and that's where ISO 30415 provides a structure. Now, why AI needs ethics? ISO 30415 as the framework. AI doesn't have morals or empathy. It only knows what it is taught. That is why we need AI ethics, a framework that ensures systems make fair and transparent decisions. ISO 30415 gives organizations a strong foundation to apply ethical and inclusive thinking in everything they do, including AI-driven HR systems. It asks key questions like, is the data diverse and unbiased? Are decision-making processes transparent? Who is accountable for the outcomes? By applying ISO 30415, companies ensure their technology not only works well but also treats people fairly. Now, how ISO 30415 makes HR tech fair? Let's explore how ISO 30415 helps make AI-based HR systems fair and inclusive. It does this by focusing on three main areas: representation, accountability, and transparency. First, it emphasizes that diverse teams must design and train AI systems. If only one type of person builds the system, their unconscious bias shapes it. Second, accountability ensures someone is responsible for reviewing and correcting unfair outcomes. Third, transparency means being able to explain why an AI made a specific decision. By aligning AI systems with ISO 30415, organizations move from simply using technology to using technology responsibly. Now, building fair HR tech systems, the 7 ISO 30415 steps. Now, let's talk about solutions. How can we actually build AI systems that are fair, inclusive, and ethical? ISO 30415 gives us a clear direction. Here are 7 practical steps inspired by its framework. Set inclusive goals. Make inclusion and fairness measurable outcomes in every AI project. Diversify development teams. Include people from different genders, regions, and experiences in design and testing. Audit the data. Remove historical bias and make data sets balanced and representative. Be transparent. Use explainable AI tools to show how decisions are made. Ensure accountability. Assign ethical responsibility to specific roles or committees. Monitor regularly. Bias can return. Continuous monitoring keeps systems fair. Educate the team. Train HR, tech, and leadership learns on inclusive thinking and AI ethics. Monitor regularly. Bias can return. Continuous monitoring keeps systems fair. Educate the team. Train HR, tech, and leadership teams on inclusive thinking and AI ethics. Following these steps helps organizations create trustworthy AI systems that empower people rather than exclude them. Now, the future of HR. Ethical AI and inclusive innovation. The future of HR isn't just about automation, it is about inclusion through innovation. AI will continue to shape hiring, training, and performance. But with standards like ISO 30415, it can also drive fairness, empathy, and opportunity. Imagine an HR system that highlights diverse talent, identifies bias before it happens, and supports equal growth for everyone. That is the future ISO 30415 is helping build. Organizations that adopt these principles early will not only be compliant, but more successful, trusted, and human-centered. Now, keeping humanity in technology. AI can make decisions, but it cannot understand emotions. It can analyze data, but it cannot feel fairness. That is why human ethics must guide artificial intelligence. ISO 30415 gives us a moral compass for technology, ensuring that progress doesn't come at the cost of equality. When applied to HR systems, it turns cold algorithms into tools of opportunity and respect. So the next time you hear about smart technology, remember, true intelligence isn't just artificial, it is inclusive. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next episode of TNP Academy.